Look at my brother looking like a young Chewbacca over there. We're playing some Modern Warfare. Dang, look at all that blood on that screen. Anyways, May 7th, and I've been listening to Soldado Phoenix by Larry Hernandez. I think this song's pretty sick. And again, another one I've been trying to learn. See what you guys think about this right here. Soy un cabeza rapada, pero no soy de los nazis. Si mi barba les espanta, algo debe preocuparles. Me abroché las agujetas de mis botas militares. 5-7 y boinanera, a la orden mi comandante. Poco a poco fui ascendiendo, me asignaron un equipo, aprendí todo el manejo, como le agradezco al chino. Yo soy el gato negro, el que protege su espalda, pa' muchos soy el sargento, soy el Phoenix de los santiagos. I don't know, I think that song sounds sick. Then again, I think a lot of music sounds sick, so. Damn! Son, I heard that right there. Yeah. Oh shit. Man, did you guys hear my cousin cut while he was in the restroom? First of all, he was taking a dump with the door open. Oh my god, that shit was funny. I don't know why other people taking this shit is so fucking amusing. It's funny as hell. Anyways, stayed at my cousin's house tonight because the new house still smells like fresh paint. I probably would have woken up high and shit if I would have stayed there. So now I'm going back to the house, you know, open up all the windows, let some air in there, turn on the AC, just air that shit out. And I'm gonna do a little grocery shopping. Well, not really grocery shopping. I'm just gonna buy me some water for the house. I haven't ate, so I'm gonna buy me some cereal. And yeah, I don't know if I should give you guys the tour of the house yet. I'm kind of waiting on getting some of my stuff put together, some shit put away, more organized. Probably by tomorrow. Or who knows? Maybe later on today. I'll have shit straightened out, fixed up. See what you guys think of the house. Good morning or afternoon, whatever. Poundage. Bam. Come on with diapers. You mean there's dookie in your pants right now? Wake up, son. We need to go. Where's the cat? Where's the cat at? I don't see no fucking cat. Oh, ew, that thing is ugly. Wow. What's his name? Loner. Stoner. Stoner, why? Because you guys give him a lot of catnip? Man, you look like he has a big ass head. Whoa! 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 Yes, right. Finish him. Fatality. Oh! Get him, Adrian. Yeah.
que nos choca otra.
Oh my god. That's right, hydrant. Carpooling. It's all about the carpooling.
Es que tú no sabes lo que ha pasado por mi pensamiento. Que la espera de mí.
Where we at? What is that? Huh? What is that? Is this your grandma's? Is grandma's? But over there, we got a little crime scene investigation going on. Oh, dead body. You guys see dead body? Wow. Dead body. Whoa. Fucking crazy. Look at that shit. Oh my god. What? Damn. Yeah, it seems to me the guy started running right here. What? Open the eyes. A ver, ábrelos. No, no querer, no querer. Ooh, damn. Ooh, Shayla. Shit stinks. Cámbialo. Ew. Whoa. That was a little camera effect. I thought it was something else. Better than sock.
For you, they were right.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Hold the camera.
How you leave? Full drunk?
No, I was fucked up, son, but I was good, son.
Es que that day food, like, no dejaban, like, to rest.
What do you guys think, guys? Huh?
Yeah,
38 super.
ese día, güey, me puse, pero not, like, I got fucked up, son.
Freddie, you gotta look at the camera when you film.
Alright.
You know what I'm saying? You can't just fucking talk and...
I'm gonna be like, Timmy, every time he's talking. You know, he's like this.
Yeah, and I get a fucking house, how the fuck am I gonna pay for it?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing right now.
Period.
I'm paying for this house, but I don't got a job.
How the fuck am I gonna pay for it? You know?
I don't got a fucking job.
I'm gonna put money down and all this bullshit. And how the fuck
Sooner or later, I'm gonna run out of money. So
money is meant to be spent.
I better start hustling.
Money is meant to be spent, for real. So I better start coming up with some money to keep paying for this shit.
And motherfucker left all this beer. What?
Dude, what time is it? It's fucking 5:30 in the morning. 5:30 in the morning, and we're still out here.
And my battery's running low.
Hey, you motherfuckers don't know how to drink some 40% alcohol. Straight up imported from Brazil. It comes from Brazil and you guys can't take it. What the fuck's up with that shit?
I drank some.
You're talking to me like I don't know how to drink that shit. I drank some. I'm still awake.
The sun's almost up. It is up.